Hey everybody, we're here at the Longhorn Classic on Wednesday, May 22nd, and it's another rainy day. We have been having this weather for at least 2 weeks. So yeah, we weren't able to get the birds out today. They were on the landing board for a little while this morning, but we got them back in because we knew it was gonna rain, and the rain's here. We do have severe thunderstorm warnings, maybe some hail. Lots of places it says tornado warning, but so far the rain is pretty light. But it's probably coming.
As we sample that, the brighter color shows half dollar size hail. Now this is off the surface.